Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. In today's video, we're comparing the 2024 Mercedes E-Class and the 2024 BMW 5 Series in their Euro NCAP crash test performance. Which luxury sedan stands out in safety? Let's find out. Frontal offset test. Both the Mercedes E-Class and BMW 5 Series performed impressively in the frontal offset test, with stable passenger compartments and strong protection for the knees and femurs. Both brands also ensured that different occupant sizes and seating positions were well protected. Full-width rigid barrier test. In the full-width rigid barrier test, both sedans offered good or adequate protection for front and rear occupants. There was minimal difference in performance, showing that both cars excel in high-speed frontal collisions. Side barrier and pole impact tests. Both cars scored maximum points in the side barrier test. However, in the more severe side pole test, the E-Class provided better protection, while the 5 Series showed marginal chest protection due to rib compression. Both cars excelled in controlling excursion and protecting against occupant-to-occupant injuries. Whiplash and safety features. In rear-end collisions, both cars demonstrated excellent whiplash protection for front and rear passengers. Advanced safety features like e-call systems and post-crash braking are present in both. The BMW 5 Series has the added benefit of functional doors and windows in a submersion scenario. Both the E-Class and 5 Series offer top-tier safety, but the E-Class slightly outperforms in side impact protection. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below.